All right, guys, so we're back with another video. Now, Black Friday is here, and there's going to be a lot of camera deals going around for cameras, gear, and so forth, right? And in this video today, I kind of wanted to gear this video towards like a beginner person who's finna get into content creation and they're thinking about which camera to get. I shoot with the Sony ZV-1, and I know there's going to be a handful of people who are probably going to get the Sony ZV-1 based off of some of the deals that's out. Now, even if there's no deal out, I still think the Sony ZV-1 is a good camera to go out and pick up. Now, for my beginners out there, if you're somebody who's finna get into content creation, whether that be Instagram, TikTok or YouTube, and you don't want to make any adjustments to your camera, and you're looking at the Sony ZV-1 as a camera that you just want to pick up and go because it does kind of resemble and is kind of sort of a point and shoot camera, and you don't want to be making all those adjustments and manual settings and all of that stuff, and you just want to shoot with the camera straight out of the box, I'm going to show you guys today what intelligent auto mode can do for you right here on the Sony ZV-1. All right, so I shot a little bit of video in intelligent auto mode as well as a few photos just to show you guys so that you can see what it can do in intelligent auto mode if you just pick it up, turn it to intelligent auto mode, and let the camera make all of the decisions for you. All right, let's go. All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm out here and I'm in intelligent auto mode. All right, and right now intelligent auto mode is saying that I'm in backlit portrait. Now it says I'm in portrait. So with this intelligent auto mode, it's just picking all the settings for me. I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding the camera and walking. Basically, that's about it. And sipping my little juice. It is still focusing on my eye pretty well. I keep looking over at the screen because I just want to be a little bit certain. So what I'm gonna do here is just kind of scroll around my backyard real quick just to see what this thing does. But right now, it says I'm at 1/125, that's my shutter speed, and I'm at f3.5, that's what it's saying right now. And this is just in case you wanted to see what this camera can do in intelligent auto mode, meaning if you're a beginner and you just want to pick this camera up and you just want to start shooting with it, this is what it does. So what I'm about to do is walk out here in the sun so you can see it adjust. So now the sun is behind me and it says I'm still in backlit portrait. If I put the sun in front of me, just like that, it says I'm in portrait mode. So this just gives you a quick idea of what it looks like in intelligent auto mode. So do I think you can shoot in intelligent auto mode? I think so. I don't think that intelligent auto mode is bad right here on the ZV-1. I think it's pretty good, but I'm gonna go in my garage and do kind of like a low light test. I'm gonna have the garage up, so it's gonna be a little bit of light coming in, but it'll be a little bit more darker than what it is out here right now. So again, this is intelligent auto mode, and it says I'm at 125 as my shutter, and my aperture now is kind of fluctuating between 4.5 and 4.0. All right, so let's go in the garage real quick. All right, so I'm heading out into the garage right now real quick, and as you can see, it's pretty dark in here, but as you can see, intelligent auto mode is actually compensating. It put my shutter down to 125, 1/25, and the aperture is f1.8. ISO is at 6400, and it is dark in here in my garage, but it says that the aperture is at 6400. So this is what you can expect using this camera on intelligent auto mode, kind of like in the dark, you know what I mean? So to me, doesn't look bad at all. I'm gonna go kind of over here by the windows and I'm gonna let a little light in. I'm probably gonna go ahead and open up the garage here so some more light can come in so we can see what happens. And excuse me if I'm not talking directly to the camera because I'm just trying to continuously monitor the settings right here. But this is what it looks like right here. This is f1.8, shutter speed is 1/25, and the ISO is 64. So it looks like we're capping out at 6400. Oh, now we're at 4000. So that's because there's a little bit of light from this window right here in my garage, as well as there's a light, some light coming in right there. And like I said, now we're at 1/50 because we put a little light behind us. Aperture is still set to 1.8, f1.8. ISO is kind of bouncing between 3200 and 5000, 3200. It's just kind of all over the place. It says I'm in portrait mode right now. I don't know if you can see my motorcycle down here. Let's see. So yeah, it's kind of showing my bike, and everything is still kind of about the same. It's kind of fluctuating between 2000 and 3200 ISO. Right now we're stuck at 2000. So I'm gonna open up the garage and see if I can get some light in here so we can see how this thing changes. Keep in mind, this is intelligent auto mode, all right? So the light just came on in the garage. Already the ISO is going down. We're at about 2000 ISO. And as the garage comes open, as you can see, the garage is coming open, and right now I'm at 640 ISO. So this is that same window. We're at 400 ISO, 1/125, f 1.8, and now you can see my motorcycle right here. So let me know what you guys think of this. All right. So again, I'm still in auto intelligent mode. I'm kind of in the shade in the front yard now. I'm just gonna kind of spin around out here in the front real quick. It's kind of blowing me out right there, but you know, it is what it is. But this is what it looks like. This is what you can expect from this camera doing intelligent auto mode. I think it does a pretty good job, man. I'm not 100% sure. I want to let you guys let me know what you think, man, but I think it does a pretty good job. So real quick, I'm gonna find some things to take some pictures of, and I'm gonna put it in intelligent auto mode. I'm not gonna really be like too selective on, you know, the type of pictures I'm taking. I'm just gonna take some random pictures outside and a few inside, just to show you what intelligent auto mode can do. All right, let's do it. Yeah. So there you have it, intelligent auto mode. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment below. Just two quick things I took from intelligent auto mode is that in post, I would probably want to make some corrections in post, shooting in intelligent auto mode. And another thing that I noticed in intelligent auto mode is that it does kind of blow out, you know, like the sky and stuff like that. But, you know, you can kind of mess around with that type of stuff in post and hopefully kind of bring some of the clouds and stuff back. But at the end of the day, intelligent auto mode, I think it's a go. I think you can use it, and I think you can get by on intelligent auto mode. So if you a point and shoot type of person, there you go, intelligent auto mode. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. It's been your boy Jay. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.